GlucoSIM is a simulated glucometer that provides the opportunity to add glucometry to simulation scenarios. Turn on the GlucoSIM. The home screen shows 3 buttons: Patient Test, QC Test, and Setup. Select Setup. Enter the default PIN 999 and press OK. You can change the PIN by choosing Set PIN at the bottom of the configuration screen. The configuration screen allows the instructor to set up the simulated test. Set your chosen parameters for control, error codes, test time interval, and patient test. See instructions for further details on setting parameters. Once parameters are set, press the Save button. To perform a simulated glucose test, first set your desired reading using the configuration screen. Then press Patient Test on the home screen. Simulate scanning a patient's ID, then simulate a scan of the test strip packaging. Prepare a GlucoSIM test strip and gently insert the strip into the slot on the right side of the unit. Apply simulated blood to test strip. After the preset time elapses, the pre-programmed value for trial number 1 will display. Remove the test strip. Stay on the screen and repeat previous steps to obtain the second trial value. To perform a QC test, turn Control button to On. Set high and low values, and make sure error codes are turned off. Simulate scanning the control solution vial. Simulate scanning the test strip packaging. Insert the test strip. Apply any solution to the strip, as the solution will not affect the test's outcome. Once the preset time elapses, the pre-programmed value will display. Repeat these steps to test another solution. Once the QC test is performed, student can proceed with patient test or turn off the unit. For more information on the GlucoSIM, go to pocketnurse.com.